I want to talk about two surprises that catches business owners off guard when they're just starting out. So you got your business up off the ground. You registered it with the state. You got your business license with the city and the county or both that you're doing business in, and now you're operating your business. A lot of things that business owners don't prepare themselves for are number one, sales tax. So if you're selling a product or a service that gets sales tax, you got to collect that sales tax and remit that to the state. That means you don't get to keep that money. That's not your money. Sales tax is not your money. I know so many businesses that get caught off guard where they're collecting sales tax for their sales and look at that sales tax as revenue coming in, and then they spend it. They use it for their expenses, for their operating costs, and next thing you know, the state is coming knocking at your door looking for their money. Sales tax is not something you want to play with as a business when you're first starting out. It catches so many restaurants that I know, retail stores that I know off guard. Next thing you know, you're owing thousands of dollars to the state, and they're going to hit you with interest and penalties on that money, and they're going to make sure that you pay that money or they'll shut you down. So sales tax, don't play with. If you know your business is required to collect and pay sales tax, make sure you're collecting and paying that sales tax, because the state or the city, wherever you are that your business is established in, is going to come looking for that money, and you don't want to play catch up on sales tax. Get that stuff taken care of from the beginning, and you will be much happier going forward. Trust me. The next thing I'm just going to talk about too is something called tangible personal property tax. So, this is not a popular tax at all. I don't think any tax is popular, to be honest. But this tax in particular is a tax on everything a business owns to operate. That's not real estate. Everything except real estate, you're going to have to pay tangible personal property tax on. So that means if you have a cell phone that you use for your business, you have computers that you use for your business, all your office furniture, really your tools, vehicles, anything that's not attached to a building, right? That's not physically attached to a building gets tangible personal property tax on it. So you will most likely get an inventory form when you start your business from the city or county, or both, depending on where you live. You'll get this inventory form that you have to jot down everything you use to operate your business and the market value of it. Now, obviously, your stuff depreciates every year, so it's not going to be the same, but whenever you change something out, you have to update your inventory form. So that is something that catches a lot of business owners off guard, is the fact that we have to pay something called tangible personal property tax on items we've already paid tax on. So, that's it's not a very popular tax, but it's out there, and it's not to be played with. The government will come, your local government will come and audit your business. They will do the inventory. They will audit your business so that they get their money. So remember that. Tangible personal property tax is the assets or the tools that your business use to operate that's not attached to a building. So it's tangible. It's tangible property. That's what they call it. There's a tax on that. You have to fill out your inventory sheets, send it out to your local government, whether it's the city, the county, or both, so that they can charge you that tangible personal property tax. That's just it's a shame, but it's something that we have to be aware of as business owners starting out. So the two things that catch a lot of business owners off guard that I see all the time are sales tax and tangible personal property tax. If you get your head wrapped around those in the beginning, you will be so much better off. Don't even worry about it. So if you have any questions around that, send us a message. We'll be more than happy to dig a little bit deeper, but just keep those in mind, okay? Have a great day, everyone.